All right, inventor students, our goal is to create the airplane parts list. Professional balloons, looks like this, 9.9. Airplane assembly and parts list. So it goes a little something like this. In your canvas, here are the printed written directions of what will make you successful on this airplane assembly. Have inventor open new standard IAM assembly file. First part we place is the fuselage body. So hopefully you know where you save this. Your teacher will not help you find lost inventor part files in laptop outer space or inventor outer space. We only need one fuselage. You should immediately ground this fuselage, right-click grounded. I think the first part you should place is the horizontal tail, one of these. Make sure your fuselage is grounded. If you need help, you could free rotate this horizontal tail to your advantage to help you mate flush this. Mate is like gluing. The sides are touching, the faces are touching, so you need to mate. That face touches this inner face right here. And then I think that inside face of the tail is going to touch the side of the fuselage body. Constrained mates. There. And then this wing is going to move up and down. We're going to constrain mates the bottom of the tail to this right there. Hit OK. This would be a good spot to save. File, save as. You should go to your airplane folder. I'll call this 9.9 airplane assembly last name. 2022, 2021. Next part you should place is the vertical tail. Maybe one of these guys. This probably goes in here with a flush mate. I think this side gets mated to this inner side of the fuselage. Hit OK. I believe the bottom of this tail gets glued or mated to the top side of the horizontal tail. And then I think that vertical face is going to touch the inside of the fuselage body. That touches. Make sure you click on faces. That. All right. There we go. Lower wing would be a good one to start now. This one takes a little more skill. You could free rotate this to help you line it up. You need the holes pointing up. So, I believe the first one is a mate. This face of the wing touches that inner face of the fuselage. You need the bottom of the lower wing. Touches that right there. So now this should slide back and forth. This is the trick to this one. You have to do some math on this one using this document right here. You have to know how much to offset flush this. You can do your math. I'm going to try and do this really fast so you don't see the math. It's an offset flush. This wing shouldn't move. Now, you're going to need 8 vertical poles. This is a constraint insert. This one's insert. You want this circle touching that circle, and you have to do this consistently for all 8. Oops. You cannot airball this. The airplane will crash if you airball. Or you don't get your parts list assembly points if you airball, so just don't airball. What you do the first time, you have to do the other 7 times. Now you should place an upper wing. You can free rotate this to your advantage. Alright, the trick to this one is you want this corner pole inserted to that one. Constrain, insert, just pick one of the corners correctly. If you did this correctly, you just have to insert the 2 corners. Or you could flush the front to the front. Whatever you feel is to your advantage. Wow. Inventor miracle. Now you place a propeller. This is also an insert because you want circles matching. I want that circle matching up with that one. And then you're going to place the peg. Well, this one didn't insert. Constrain, inserts. This circle touches that circle. And then you want this circle, the peg, touching that circle of the propeller. You know you do this right if you can spin the propeller. Whee! This would be a good time to save. Now you have to create a parts list with professional balloons. Should save this. New title block. Your name, IED, and period number. You're going to place the ISO top right view. I don't know what scale to use. You want this to take up a lot of the page so people can see your work. This is in color. Oh, it is in color. That's great. All right, parts list time. We're going to annotate parts lists from your airplane assembly. That is correct. We're going to place it right in this corner. Move this away. You can double click the parts list, upper left button, remove description, add author. As you can see, your teacher created these 8 airplane parts. This would be a good time to save. scale this up if you want. Be a little too big, but that's alright. You could also resize your table if you want. I think that's too big. Oh no! Okay, now you need 8 professional balloons. They all have to end on a horizontal line. So it goes click, obtuse angle, click, horizontal line, click, right click, continue. Your goal is to have 8 professional looking balloons. Okay, this will be a good time to save. Now you're going to export to PDF. Hopefully it's in your airplane folder. Your teacher will not help you find lost Inventor or PDF files in laptop outer space or internet outer space. Here's one from April 2021. Let's see if we have our... Here it is. Boom, and then you submit the PDF to 9.9 airplane assembly for 20 points. Good luck.